in front near all the faculty members. Later on for the photo documentation. Just occupy your seat here in front, nearby with the faculty members.
Sarap. Saan na ba siya? Hindi ko naman makita. Video ko na lang para makita niya sa lang. Wala na siya na magtingin. Ay, excuse. Sana pa siya dito.
Alright, so to our dear parents, visitors, guardians, move pa muna tayo sa dito for the official taking of a picture by our official photographer. Ma'am and sir, pakiusap lang po. Usap lang po tayo, ipakit po natin dito banda para po sa pag-picture ng ating official photographer.
Gandahan natin, medyo lakasan natin ha. Seco-South Colleges Incorporated, the school that builds your future. Woo! Ganon. Okay. Ready, set, go!
Seco-South Colleges Incorporated, the school that builds your future.
Very good. Para-paraho yung kamay po ha, nakalabas na yung apat, yung isa lang nasa loob. Ganon po. Okay? Tapos naka-smile kayo, okay? Picture na muna tayo. Ayusin nyo muna yung mga sombrero. We request the beloved President, together with the Vice, the Dean of the Academic Affairs, and the rest of the faculty. Ayan. Remember,
Hanapin niyo na lang siya.
parents, apo, picturean nyo. Writing ang mapicturean nyo sa kayo ipakit data kay official photographer lang apo. Hindi mag-picture. Di bali it will be posted sa aming FB page. Sana naman ang mga parents ay nakasubscribe at nakapalo sa FB page ng Seco-South Colleges. Lahat ba? Lahat ba nakasubscribe?
Spirit quietly and listen to others. Even though now in the inner takes the hackers story. Avoid loud and aggressive persons. They are vexatious to the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or weak, for always arrogant and greedy, and lesser persons than yourself. Enjoy your achievements as well as your plans. Keep interested in your own career, however humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortunes of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs, for the one full of trickery, but let this not bind.